Okay, today I got another red line. I'm gonna try to do this for $10, see if I make any money again today. So I got this red line on this P&ID. I just opened up this drawing. We are ready to go. So I'm trying to give you all my keystrokes. I'll be a little bit slower than I could be, just because I'm going to try to explain this. So it looks like first thing we need to do is work on this end of this pump. And looks like we delete the basket strainer, so let's just erase that with the E command. Erase. And we erase this 3/4 inch and 1 inch connection. Trim that line back, and then it kind of has an arrow. Oh no, it just says X all that out. Oh, but it has this flange connection out the side of it. It's very curious if this was the same one. We'll do exactly as the red line says, but they might come back and say, sorry, we've messed up. This 2 inch connection right here is actually this one. Okay, we've removed that connection, and it says a 6x3 and a 3x2 in here. I'm guessing that's what it's meaning. And there's no valve here. That's a little bit strange, but a 6x3, which they just call a 3 inch. We'll change that to a 6x3. Getting my AutoCAD fresh. Again, it takes just a second to fire up the text editor and stretch that with the crossing polygon. You could have lasso selected that as well. There's some garbage here. What is that? No, I didn't have to clean up that garbage, but oh, there's some more garbage. Those pieces. But just some OCD I have, I guess. Gotta clean it all up. And then a 3x2 reducer, trim out the line. And okay, I think we got that. What are they really wanting me to do there? Well, we'll follow what they've put down. I'll copy lines. I probably could make that faster just with a line. We'll copy it. Copy. Copy. And do they have a squiggly? Oh, they do. Rotate 90. And then they're saying put a plug. Oh, no valve, but a plug at the end of it. Very curious if we're going to find a plug. If we can copy a plug from somewhere else, that's always the best. It seems like nobody's been putting those in. They're hard to find. So I really wish I had a template or a go-by for this company. We just don't have that. So unfortunately, I have to do my best with what I've been given. That is not quite shown right. The best is if you show like a threaded connection with the plug going into it. All right. Got that. Oh, we got another squiggly here. What's that connected to? The check valve. Oh, yeah. I did the wrong one. Did you see that? Man, but that's all right. I can copy that. I might have already done some extra work, but I shouldn't have. Okay. Copy this line with the squiggly. Put it right here after the check valve. Rotate that 180 degrees. Yeah, I know, you can get rid of that. Extend this. Okay, another plug at the end of this 1-inch valve, so we'll copy this plug. We've been copying around. Ooh, that's too big. Okay, so I've got the plug, got that, plug that. Flange set is removed. Okay, we can do that. And then they blacked in a valve here instead of red. And they put truck loading or unloading. I wonder if they want the black in there or just the red lines. We'll go with just red for now. Maybe I'll ask them. I wonder if this is the exact same 6x3, 3x2 as this one. Yeah, it really looks like it. Okay, let's put it in. Basically, we're going to make this second one look identical to the first one. So that makes it pretty nice because we can, kind of start copying and stealing from the first one. It saves us a little bit of time. So I'm going to go copy this flange connection over to the second one. The reducers I can just copy. Copy my 6x3 and my 3x2. Extend and trim. I did move this over here on the last one, didn't I? Okay, 6x3, 3x2. I got the remove the valve, put in a plug, 1/4 inch. Okay. Remove the pressure indicator completely. Okay. They redlined something, then took it out. What is here? Assuming that's a flange set. We can add a flange set. Trim out the line. There's 2 or 3 lines here. That's garbage. Always try to leave it better than how you found it. That's the best we can do. Plug the valve. Oh, it's bigger than the valve, and so scale this down by 66 by 33%, so it'll be 0.66. Okay, looking good. And then we have this hose connection to tank. All right, so somebody has taken all of this out and made a change, so we will just take the change and say thank you. I gotta make that hose. Usually hose is not straight like that. So we'll do the same thing. We'll say, hey, this is hose. They might yell at me, asking what I'm doing, but all right, and then make a circle of 1/8 of an inch. That was the wrong size. Let's try that again. Circle, diameter 1/8. Maybe that is 1/8. Oh yeah, that's 1/8. And then we can move that, make these perfect. So I personally have a Lisp routine that does that for me. But if you don't have it, that's pretty simple, pretty easy. But you might want to try to dig one of them. I think you could just download that somewhere. Copy the flange set. They want it to be called 2-inch. I can hopefully find a 2-inch I can copy. And then say 2 tank. 2 tank, all capitals. Should be able to change this is regular text. In M text, you can change it to all capitals, but apparently you can't in regular text. 2 tank. $444,030 PA294. I have no idea what any of that means. Hopefully it makes sense to somebody else. I'll call this out as hose. They did it in red, so I will call it out. Make it look a little bit better. All right, and then, well, there's a check valve that needs to go in there. Okay, we can stretch this out, make some room for a check valve. F8, make that straight. Check valve, check valve. And then trim it out. I'll just erase that part of the line. Check valve, got it in there. Okay, now this is a little bit confusing. Let's see what they're trying to tell me here. That this line here does not connect to the second, it connects to the third. And this connects to the second. So I basically just got to swap these 2 lines. On this one, use my point X filter. And move this arrow so it's a little bit easier to put this arrow in here. Swap it to this valve. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Ooh, gotta get my brake to the right place. I could just do the perpendicular. This line. Okay, I got my brake swapped, line swapped. Ooh, look at that. Didn't get that stretched apparently. Got that swapped to the other valve. I think that's all they meant. Okay, and then I'm onto this pump and same thing. So cool, I can copy a bunch of this stuff from the first one. They want this to go down though. Okay, we can deal with that. Just have to put the copy and then rotate 90. Two-inch, 3-inch. Looks like they're removing this and putting a plug. So I'll copy this plug setup. Rotate at 90, plugged. 2-inch, 3-inch, 3-inch. This is a little bit confusing. I'm just going to put the 6x3 there. See if they come back. And they're specifically calling out a 3-inch on this pump discharge. And I can match that easy enough. Calling out a 3/4 inch valve, that's fine. 2-inch, 3-inch. I think they're calling out the pump as a 3, so we'll do the same. And the plug as a 2-inch. So our 2-inch I can copy. All right, 1/4 inch valve. I have no idea what that arrow is doing. Oh, but I got a plug there. We can plug that. Copy. Scale that by 0.66. 1/2-inch plug. There's a plug valve, double plug valve here. Okay. The flange side's gone though. Right, copy the plug valve down. Ooh, that's a nice block. Trim it and erase. I hit the delete key to erase. See, that's a 3/4 inch valve instead of half. I'm getting close, right? 2 plugs. I'm gonna go grab that plug setup I had. And let's see. Okay, we're gonna have to make some room to put those valves in. So no problem. Stretch with the crossing polyline. Make some room. So let's see, we got a plug valve on each side of that. No problem. Let's copy. Let's find one. Oh, that'll work. We like that one. Rotate -90, mirror that. And we can extend this line a little bit and trim it. Erase the middle. We got a plug as a bypass, okay. We'll put it, they kind of put it over here, so we'll just match that. Point Y, point Y. And then it said to truck loading. We can match that. Type that in. Copy. F8 to truck loading. All right. We're up against the corner. It says okay, okay, okay. Tank 441028. I don't know what that means. Well, we'll just do exactly what they redlined. At least it'll be something to talk about. Tank 441028. Put it up against the corner here. All right. Oh, that might be part of the pump. Let's move that back. Okay. We're up against the corner. We got okay, okay, okay. Oh, we got something up. At the 3-inch ally. So we can move this a little bit, give us a little bit of room. We have, what are they trying to show? It's almost like that's like an orifice plate flange with taps on it. Well, let's kind of do that then. They're showing a gate valve, so let's go find one of those. Gate valve. And we can mirror that. And reducer. Rotate it 180 degrees. The line in the middle. Let's match this line, even though it looks yellow. And they got some scribbles there. Don't know what scribbles are, but they do call out 1/2 by 1/4 reducer. And a 1/2-inch plug up at the top. Let's copy that plug we like so much. All right, we got that done. Oh, erasing a valve. Zoom out a little bit, let's see. On this tank, well, I just want to plug at the end. So, yeah, so instead of showing it like a cap, we want to see it like a plug. No problem. And another plug. Cool, we can copy this one. Oh, they didn't have anything there. Okay, and a plug on the last one. Copy it again. Okay, and is that it? That seems to be it. That looks like sketches. That doesn't make sense. Okay, perfect. This took me 25 minutes, so a little bit more than $20 an hour. Not the best I've done, but might as well keep with this client because they keep giving me these $10 activities that usually are a little bit faster than this. Sometimes they take this long, so my average is pretty good. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, give me a shout, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.